Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Thea George and I'm here with Aneet Morar from Lloyds Banking Group. We're at the SAP FSI Forum in London and we're talking about the future of retail banking. Thank you for joining me.
Good afternoon.
So what do you see as the key drivers for change in retail banking right now?
I think there are three key changes. The one is regulation, the second technology disruption, and the third changing customer expectations. On regulation, there's things like open banking and PSD2 and GDPR, which are changing the way that we deal with customers' data. Technology disruption, such as things such as machine learning, big data, new engagement channels, are changing the way we use customer data and also how we engage with customers. And then finally, customer expectations are being raised, the bar's being raised by experiences outside of banking. So the way they deal with getting a taxi or buying their coffee is changing that expectation.
So what do you think banks need to be doing to mitigate the risks to them of this increased pace of change?
I think there are probably two key things. The one would be to continue to be and focus on the customer, so to become customer obsessed. Because whatever we do for the benefit of the customer will ultimately benefit the bank. And the second thing is culture change. So to be able to respond more quickly to changing customer needs and the changing landscape, organizations need to be a lot more agile. And that means we need to move away from the traditional hierarchical structures that we have today to more flexible working structures.
So do you think these changes can actually benefit incumbent banks?
Yes, I do indeed. The increased focus on the customer is definitely a benefit to everybody and will continue to raise the bar. It also, the culture change, I think, will have a positive impact as well on colleagues because people like to work and new people coming to the organizations want to work in a more open type of environment. And then finally, as banks move away from the sort of walled garden approach that we used to have to an open ecosystem approach, we can become more relevant in our customers' lives by facilitating their banking, being part of the sort of concept of invisible banking, facilitating their lives rather than thinking of banking as something separate to everything else they do.
Aneet, this has been great. Thank you very much indeed. And thank you for watching.